See how big I just had for your box. I know the box is like this.
Can you guess what that is? Can you guess what that is? Can you guess? Okay, guys. We are now unboxing. Guys, I gotta put these on my feet right now. I can't even wait. Look, these. Oh my gosh. Flip-flop, the flip-flop ratio. 10 out of 10. Can you?
No.
Can you put it down? Okay, so I go this way. Got y'all. Y'all know how y'all get that. Oh, they smell so like, smell like new shoes. New shoes. Okay, so let's get into it. These are a woman's size 7. I normally wear a 7.5 in woman heels, 7 in woman sneakers, 5.5, 6 in men's sneakers. But I prefer 6. Like lately, I've been getting 6s because that comfort. But these, for those ladies or gentlemen that don't like wearing stiletto heels, but still want, y'all don't even understand them. So first of all, we was out all day and these were out for delivery. On track. If y'all know how they run, I don't like it. You can't. Yo, man, I'm about to cry right now. I'm finna cry. Okay, let's get into the deets. Size 7. This right here, it got a Velcro strap so you can tighten it. Because I have really small ankles, or even some people have bigger ankles. At least you can adjust it. But I'm letting you know right now, if you have fat toes or wide feet, this ain't for you. Or you gotta go a size up, because this right here, it don't adjust. So you gotta be, I know over time it's gonna like stretch a little bit because of the material, but they fit nice so my feet don't slide. The bottom, super grippy. They said grippy, I call it grippy. Yeah, I am. Y'all don't even understand. I don't even know what I'm about to wear these with. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do it. Yeah! But you can't get them. They came out retail $4.50. And you probably like, what? Flip-flops $4.50? No. This is not your regular flip-flop. These are the flip-flop. The flop of the flip. Like, yo. Like, I don't think this video is doing it justice. It's rubber, but it's so sturdy. I think, like, this part, obviously, is more